Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix Google Chrome tabs keep opening or auto refreshing. So basically we are going to be fixing that. Now what we are going to be doing here is that basically this is going to be a step-by-step process, so make sure to follow till the end of this video. Also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. Alright, so why they are auto refreshing, that could be due to some glitch that is inside Google Chrome. Sometimes maybe due to some network errors or some cookies related to issue. Some data is not stored properly, or maybe your Chrome was not closed properly. That might be causing this issue. Now to fix it, you can simply restart your Chrome. And even if this is not working, then you can check if any of the Chrome extensions are just acting glitchy or just doing something that is crashing your tabs. So make sure you actually try doing that. If that is not also working, that what you can do is basically close the unnecessary tabs. So that might be just costing some of the RAM on your Google Chrome. So basically Chrome is very, you can say it like, RAM intensive type of browser, so make sure to use it really carefully. So yeah, so these are some of the fixes that you can use to simply utilize your Chrome much more efficiently and fix this issue. So I hope this helps. Also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.